Edit users. Edit users in your Bloomerang database by clicking Settings and View All Settings. Click Edit in the Users tile. Here is the list of all your database's users. Click a user. To change the password, click Change Password and Send Email. An email is sent to the user's email address so they can reset their own password. To change the user's email address, click Change Email Address. Type in the new email address and click Send Email. If the username is also an email address, and the new email address is available as a username, you are asked if you want to update the username to match the new email address. Click Change Username if you do, and remember to tell the user that their username has changed. Bloomerang sends a validation email to the new email address. Bloomerang continues using the old email address until the user validates the new email address. Do not change the username after starting the password reset or email address change process. Changing the username breaks the validation links in the validation emails. Uncheck the active box to prevent the user from logging in. Update other information on the screen and click Save. To permanently delete a user, click Delete. This is not reversible. If the user has active tasks assigned to them, choose another user to transfer those tasks to. Click Reassign and Delete User.